If you're an employee who is responsible for site or clinical supervision, you might have a need to put in a travel request for the fiscal year for blanket mileage. So once you're logged in to Concur, you can select New, Start a Request. And we probably would name this like 2021 mileage. Trip type is going to be in-state. Travel start date, we could put September as our start date for when this type of activity might actually begin. And it shouldn't go through May of the next calendar year. Traveler type, we can select faculty. Trip purpose is going to be mileage or parking only. We're going to say NA to class being covered since it's not applicable. Personal travel as well. Destination city, go ahead and select multiple locations. Traveling to a band state is no. Traveling with students, also NA. This chart field section is going to default for you. You can leave that as it is unless someone from your administrative support team has let you know that you need to do something different. And you can just put, site supervision or some other note for the 2021 fiscal year. We're going to say create. And then we're going to add our mileage costs, our estimated costs for the entire fiscal year. So we're going to say add. We're going to choose personal car mileage. You can also start typing it up here in the field to search for it. We're going to estimate our mileage for the entire fiscal year. This might be something that you look back at your previous fiscal year to get an idea of what that might look like. And we can estimate the total amount for the year. So let's say 1,200 miles. We're going to click Save. And now you can see that we have a travel request for mileage for the entire fiscal year of 2021 and what the anticipated cost could look like. So now we're going to submit our request and it will route it forward for approval. And then when you do have mileage to claim, you're going to submit expense reports each month as a calendar month passes throughout the entire fiscal year until this is complete. So please watch our other video for how to put together an expense report tied to a travel request that looks like this, that's for blanket mileage for the entire fiscal year.